Okay, this is part 2. We are actually flying now. We're gonna start flying. Yeah, I'll keep it like that so you can see. We're flying. We're about to fly. We're about to fly. Okay. This is it. This is Bella's first time actually in the air. I'm gonna label this video, I am a bird. Let's do this. I have a feeling this is going to be way worse than I thought. No, I need to...
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've been cleared for departure. Double check those seatbelts, make sure they're securely fastened. Go ahead and dim these cabin lights here in just a moment. If you do wish for an additional reading light, go ahead and reach above, press the button with the picture of a light bulb on it at this time.
Like you're supposed to, Mother. Are we still filming? I'm gonna die. We are going to film video on my YouTube channel.
Are you trying to distract yourself?
Trying to. Oh no, we're going so fast. Thanks for
Don't have your dad
helping.
drive normally.
We're still filming. Are we gonna live? Or are we just gonna live?
Yeah, we're just driving there.
We're just gonna drive there on
It's a really elaborate bus. It would pay a lot of money to turn around and get done.
It's a car.
This is how you
It's a
traffic
car.
in Atlanta.
It's a car disguised as an airplane. Okay, everything's fine. Okay, what are we doing now? Like, can we fly? Are we flying yet? Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. Okay. That's horrible. I hate that so much. Oh no. Now we're going fast. Okay, so we are flying.
Nope, not flying yourself around.
We're almost. two of airplane. I don't know. Florida. That was part two of Florida, and we're not in Florida. We're still in our hometown.
Still in
We're still in Columbus, but that was yeah.
tilting again.
It's tilting again. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.